Hi, I'm Darren from Watercolor Mentor. In this class, you'll learn how to transform complex reference photos into loose and simplified watercolor paintings. This class will challenge you to develop your drawing and painting skills together, and I'll show you my two-step process in painting any landscape scene. There's 4 fully narrated demonstrations for you to paint along to, and by the end of this class, you'll feel much more confident in understanding how to paint complex landscapes with buildings, figures, trees, water, and much more. I'm going to be covering how to paint complex landscapes in watercolor from a photograph. I'll show you how to reduce a scene down to essentials and pick out other elements and objects of focus. I'm also going to be talking about layering, how you need only 2 to 3 layers in order to complete a watercolor painting. I'll talk about using color, how to effectively create areas of interest to portray mood and lighting of a scene. I'm also going to show you how to use tone or light and dark areas to create depth and add richness to your paintings. I'm really excited to get started, so let's get painting.